find is a little bit different. Okay, so let's invoke the find here. Find, and then so it's going to, I don't need that because we're not replacing anything. So it's just going to find the word bananas in X, and then we're printing whatever it returns from that. Okay, so what on earth? It's giving me 7. Anybody want to take a stab at guessing what 7 means? Yeah, it is, but that's not why it's 7. I'll give you a hint. If I change it to I like green bananas, it changes to 13. So what do you think 13 means? I really, really like green bananas. Now it's yes, yes, exactly. It's the index of the first letter of the matched word. Okay, the index means if you were to count how many characters over. Now, that's useful because that allows me then to target that part of that string. And later on, when we're doing advanced string processing, what you'll see is I can actually figure out what's there, and then I can copy that out. I can paste it. I can do other things with it. I can replace it with something else without using the replace function. There's all kinds of different things you can do that. I can count the position of every occurrence of that word. So there are lots and lots of different ways to use find, but that number that it returns is the position of the first letter of the matched word in that text.